In this video I'm going to explain how to install the tactical lighting kit on the DJI Avata. First, we have the two D3060 lights, and then we have these two 3D printed mounts. So first we're going to attach the light into the mount. So the first one will just set in there a little bit sideways like this, and then you just press till it clicks into place. Now, understanding how these are going to be oriented, we want them both facing forward, so we'll take the second one, we'll orient that one opposite of the first one, and click that into place. So now the lights are installed in the mounts. They should be pretty secure in there. So now we'll take the Avata and one of the landing lights facing forward. We'll just line that up in the bottom hole like this, and then we'll flip the top back with our thumb, put a little pressure on that, and then it just clicks into place like that. So we'll take the other one, again lining up the landing leg here, just touching it against the top and then putting pressure on this lever just enough to bend it up a little bit, and now they're installed. That is the process for installing the tactical light kit on the DJI Avata.